freshly squeezed lemon juice, Mediterranean herbs, and the wonderful sea breeze. Is it already summer? Or am I having a glass of Vermentino? Tuscany is a big region. A lot of people are accustomed to red wines. But if you go on the southwest coast, in the Maremma region, you've got an incredible situation of a wild nature, lots of horses, as you see there, like people like riding their horses like on the sea, incredible biodiversity, and above all, phenomenal white wines. Vermentino is an indigenous variety that is known for having these green, grassy aromatics, lots of like fresh citrus fruit, super crunchy, with a dash of stone fruit. On the palate, can't talk about wine without wine. On the palate, you have juiciness. And this wine has got so much acidity, you feel like you want to have some food with it. This is going to be good like, you know, when sunset is about to arrive, just crack open a very cold bottle, perfect. Otherwise, you need some barbecue, fish barbecue, like sea bass, with just some salt and extra virgin olive oil. It will be a super match with sashimi or sushi, or just a simple salad with some ricotta cheese on top, okay? So, this is a simple wine, but way more complexity and satisfaction than you would expect. I love the Tuscan coast. This Vermentino La Mora comes from Val delle Rose winery that Checchi created in 1996. A beautiful estate. You gotta go check it out because it's also architectonically speaking, something really pretty to be in. But right now, I wish the sea was here. I wish I could dive, just go for, you know. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.